Hey everyone, and welcome to the 26th video of this playlist in which I will show you 30 CSS properties in 30 days. And in this video I will show you the property of pseudo elements. Okay, we will see before and after pseudo elements in your CSS. Okay, so let's start with the video. Before starting this video, hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to Techie Web Dev and press all notifications so you will never miss any future videos. Now let's continue with our topic. So first of all, if you will take a look in our website, we have a p tag and I have give some styling to this. Okay, nothing advanced here. Okay, so now let's see the pseudo elements which I am talking about, the before and after elements. So to first of all, you have to write the target, the tag. I will write p tag, and then you have to write two semicolons which will allow to use any pseudo elements. So as you can see here, I am getting recommendations. Okay, before, backdrop, after, content, many more. So let's just choose before. Okay, and then that's it, and then you can write whatever you want in this. Okay, so to like in order to work with before and after, you have to write two default lines. Okay, the first default line is content, and you just have to write empty colons here. Okay, nothing inside the colons, just empty. And then the second default line is position absolute. Okay, so make sure to give the position absolute. If you are giving the relative, then it will not work. Okay, and that's it. And now you can customize the before element. Okay, because we are dealing with the before, so let's say let's just give it the width of 20 pixel and height of also, let's say, 8 pixel, and let's give it a background color of red. And if I'll just save it, you can see we have an element of the width of which is 20 pixel, height is 8, and background color is red. So this is how you can create custom elements with the help of before and after. So this is the before element, and as you can see, the before element is just at the before, it's just at the starting of the element. And if I'll just copy this whole down here and write after. Okay, and I will save it. As you can see here, the after is after the element. Okay, so you get the point. Before is at the starting and after is at the end. Okay, so I hope you get the point. These before and after elements are used to create custom elements you want. You can also do this, create these elements with the help of another tags. Let's say another, you can define here p tags or divs, then you can also do this. But the better way is to use these pseudo elements. Okay, pseudo class. So now you have get the point how to use them. Now let's see one very cool hover effect you can only get with the help of these pseudo elements. Okay, before and after. So in order to do that, first of all, let's just change some values. I will just increase it. I'm not 100, let's say 60. Okay, that will be great. Let's just decrease the width also to 6 pixel. Okay, this also 60 and 6 pixel. Okay, and now I want this, the after element, to be downwards. So I will add a margin. Okay, margin top, and I will say 50 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see here, it is right at the bottom where I want it. And I will also add margin, margin left here. Okay, and I will write let's say 60 pixel. Okay, minus 60 pixel. Now it is exactly where I wanted. So now I will add a hover effect. Okay, so I will write p hover, and after hover you have to also write before, okay, because you are targeting the before pseudo class. Then you can write margin, oops, not here, inside the bracket, margin left, and you can give the value, let's say 100 pixels. So if I'll just hover it, you can see it just shifted towards 100 pixel towards the right. Okay, so to make it smoother, you can add the transition, which I have already told you, and let's say 0.3 seconds, and I will add the same to the after. Okay, and I will just copy this hover effect for after also, after pseudo class. Okay, that's it, and I will write minus 150 here. Okay, so let's see now. So as you can see here, we are done with a very cool hover effect with the help of pseudo elements, and you can see how cool it is looking. Okay, so yeah, this is the way like you can create a very cool hover effect. If I just remove this after element, okay, and if I just kept the before element, just the before element is looking cool, okay, but the both one is looking pretty great. Okay, so this is the one example of these pseudo elements. You can do much more with these. Okay, so I hope you learn something new and get the point of how to use them, and that's it for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one.